Today I'm going to be going through examples of a developmental network involving some of the Belcher family from Bob's Burgers. As you may know, a developmental network is a series of genes that drive developmental processes. The Belchers run a burger shop below their apartment, and every family member has jobs to help keep the restaurant running. Every restaurant has their regular customers, including some that can be distracting. In the Belchers' case, Teddy is their main customer but tends to distract them from working from time to time. For example, on a normal day in the restaurant, Louise may help to grab Teddy's attention by asking questions so that the other Belchers may work. By doing this, Louise blocks or oppresses Teddy's expression, which then allows Bob to be activated and focus on making the burgers. Teddy would typically repress Bob from being activated, meaning he couldn't cook, but Louise's job is to block Teddy before he can do that. Bob's expression then activates Linda so that she can deliver the food to the correct customers. Now we are going to go through a few examples. A single mutant example would be if Louise has to be at school, so her gene is not activated or expressed. Louise's absence causes Teddy to be expressed, allowing him to block Bob from working. This prevents Linda's gene from being expressed, causing the customers to not get their order. For the second example, if Teddy's gene was mutant in the form of having to leave for a work call, his gene would not be expressed. We do not need to focus on Louise as it is upstream from the mutant in the network and would not impact the outcome. Since Teddy's gene is not activated, Bob's gene would activate, allowing the burgers to be cooked. Bob's expression would activate Linda's, ending with the customers receiving their order. Now we will go through a double mutant example. Let's say that Linda forces Bob to take the day off and go to Wonder Wharf with Louise. The only thing we really need to look at in this example is Bob, since Louise and Teddy are both upstream from the last mutant. If Bob's gene is not activated, the food cannot be cooked and Linda's gene will not activate. This results in the customers not receiving order, as taking the customer their food is Linda's job. Lastly, let's say that both Louise and Teddy's genes are mutants. As you know now, we only need to look at Teddy. Since Teddy's gene is not activated, Bob's gene is, and he can focus on cooking the food for the customers. Bob's expression activates Linda, which then gives the customers their order. This example, although differing in the number of mutants, has the same phenotype or outcome as single mutant example number 2.